Have you ever wanted to edit a form, say put instructions on how to use the form, or display documents that are associated with certain items? Well, now you can in SharePoint 2013 without using InfoPath or creating a custom form in SharePoint Designer. First thing we do is we go to the List tab, and from here we go to the Customize List group. This icon right here, Modify Form Web Parts, once we click on it, will show us the option to make changes to the new form, display form, or the edit form. Let's use instructions on how to use this task list to the new form. Choosing editing the new form, it does open the new item page as a web part page. Clicking add a web part allows us to put in a content editor web part and put in our instructions. Scroll down to media and content and choose content editor and add. Simply click into the content editor web part and add your instructions. And then choose Stop Editing. Now, when we click the New Task, we have our instructions. Now, what if we had associated documents? Here we have a list of documents, and notice we've used a lookup column to associate them with certain tasks. Let's take a look at how we can combine those two lists on the display form. So we'll choose the default display form, add a web part, then we'll choose the documents, and now we'll connect the web parts. From the drop-down, choose Connections, Get Filter Values From, Tasks. Now we want to choose how to match up the fields. The provider field, the task list, we want the task name, and we'd like the consumer field to match. What's the consumer field? It's the lookup column we created in the document library called Task. Click Finish, and now stop editing. If we view the properties of Task A, notice that the associated documents are located at the top of the document, and notice that a different set of documents are displayed for Task C.